In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Salesforce. Whether you're working from your home office or on the go, managing your Salesforce interface to better view the information is essential to working efficiently and comfortably. Today, we'll focus specifically on the steps you need to follow if you're using a Windows computer to adjust the zoom level on your Salesforce page. Let's begin with zooming in. If you find yourself squinting at the screen, or if the text just seems far too small, a quick and efficient way to zoom in and make everything larger is by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and then pressing the plus key. This combination will increase the size of everything on the screen, making it much easier to read and interact with the data in your Salesforce interface. It's a handy trick if you're reviewing detailed records or examining multiple dashboard elements simultaneously. Keep in mind, as you continue to press Control and the plus key, the zoom level will continue to increase incrementally. This allows you to stop whenever everything is sized to your liking. Now, there might also be situations where the zoom level is too large for your needs, or you simply want to shrink the view to fit more content on your screen at one time. To zoom out and make the interface smaller, you can press and hold the Control key, just like before, but this time, you'll press the minus key. This functionality is useful if you're aiming to get an overall view of a process map, or you're juggling several open tabs and the real estate on your computer screen is limited. As before, each press will continue to decrease the zoom level, allowing you to find just the right balance. Sometimes, you might want to return everything back to its original size, at which point resetting the zoom level becomes crucial. Fortunately, this is just as straightforward, but with a different key combination. Hold down the Control key and then tap the 0 key on your keyboard. This action will immediately reset your screen view back to its default zoom level. It's a quick way to recalibrate your view without having to guess or manually adjust what might enhance your layout most efficiently. By mastering these simple keyboard shortcuts, you can navigate through Salesforce with ease, switching between zoom levels seamlessly to suit your immediate needs. It's an efficient method to customize your workspace on the fly, ensuring your workflow remains uninterrupted and your focus stays sharp. Testing these shortcuts right now will get you comfortable with them and ensure you're maximizing the practicality of your Salesforce experience. So, whether you're engaged in data entry or conducting detailed analysis, the ability to adjust your view on a whim can be a significant productivity enhancer. Thank you for joining this tutorial and keep practicing to become even more efficient with Salesforce.